свет. Давай. Ручной забор. Опа, и все. Ну, надул. 8 раз больше нормы.
Алкотестер. С первым выдохом прибор выдает ошибку. На следующем аппарат и вовсе завис.
Давайте.
Один во всем синим.
Ты чё? Да нет, долго.
You're going to blow out. Okay? No. Seal your lips around the plastic bit there. No. Open your mouth. Keep blowing out. You need to comply with this. All right? You'll be placed under arrest, and I don't really want to do that.
I have difficulty breathing, for God's sake. Okay. I'm still learning how to breathe with my psychologist, Mummy.
I'm going to give you one more opportunity. Otherwise, I'm going to have to take you out of the car, place you under arrest, and we're going to have to go back to the police station. Keep blowing it. You're not blowing hard enough now, ma'am. Do you know how to blow a balloon?
Can I get out of the car?
Yep.
We're just going to get this done.
No, she's not doing it right at all. Not doing
One
it.
more time.
No, we're not doing it. I'm going to have to take you back.
Last.
No. I'm going to have to take you back. I've given you way too many opportunities.
One more time.
No worries. All right.
One more time.
No, you're coming
One more
back now.
time. One more time.
Yeah,
One more
that's
time.
it. I've given you way too many opportunities. No worries. All right.
One more time.
38-year-old Jennifer is still having a hard time producing enough air for a breath test.
I'm giving you one more opportunity. One more time.
Sensing her anxiety, Senior Constable Adalis allows her one last go.
One.
Got it?
How good was that? You did well. Okay, so you've gone over the limit.
Okay. It's all right, man. Just relax. Just breathe. Just breathe.
¡Está alargado, papá! ¡Te voy a ver!
哎呀，不，我这都说连嘴巴打开，不用这么大动作的。吹气球你会吹吧？那就行了。我就不相信你吹气球这样的，不会。不用用牙齿咬它。我叫你长一点，叫你停在长一点点，它吸收不了。你没吹。气出来啊！我不怕麻烦。没用啊，你这样，你咋断了？你一下子就断了啊！拿头去砍老虎。